Hey everyone, Lewis here again. Welcome back to my channel and my video. So on this video, I'm going to show you guys my three-step process on how I buy products and send them to Amazon. So yeah, guys. So the way I do Amazon is that I usually buy products from stores like Walmart, Target, Home Depot, Lowe's, and other retailers. So for this example, I'm going to be buying products from off Broadway shoes from Nike, from this website called directhomemedical.com, from Chewy, right? And then for this product, I got it from Jockey. So I usually buy from different stores and retailers. And my process is 100% online. It's called online arbitrage. So I usually buy from retailers, like I said, Walmart, Target, Home Depot, Lowe's. I buy those products from those websites. I ship them to my third-party prep center. And then from there, my prep center would pack and prep my products. And once they're packed and prepped, they ship my products to Amazon. And then once Amazon receives their products, Amazon would do all the shipping, handling, returns, customer service. What else? So they basically handle all that stuff for me. Once my products are with Amazon, Amazon deals with the customers, right? So what they do is they package my products onto Amazon Prime products, and then when the buyer buys from Amazon, Amazon ships the products to the buyer. Hope that makes sense. So I'll give you guys some live examples. So I usually start with different websites, right? So for this one, this product is from rackroomshoes.com. And, and I also use cashback websites like Rakuten. So for this example, I'm going to activate my 6% cashback, right? So I'm getting an extra 6% on this purchase. Let's see. Oh, what happened? So right there, you guys can see I activated my 6% cashback on Rakuten. So now, what I would do is I would go to my Amazon Seller Central, and then I would plug in the cost, right, of this product, which is $79.97. Yeah, I think there's a discount for this product too, or for this specific size. So I think it's buy one get one half off, I believe. So let me calculate that. So 79.97 divided by 2 plus 79.97. So it's 79.97 divided by 2 plus 79.97. So now the cost of this one shoe with a sale is going to be $59.97, right? So I do run my numbers, $59.97, and then man, there's a variation for this listing or for this product. So now I would go on variations right here. I would click on the variation, and then I would click on check. And then, as you guys can see, this specific variation is getting 100% of the sales, right? So which means this variation is getting all the sales, which is 345 sales per month, and this product is giving me a 21% ROI, $12 profit. And then from here, I usually look at the other sellers. So remember this number, okay? So $345. I mean, I'm sorry, 345 sales a month right here. And then I usually gauge if I can share the sales with other sellers, right? So I would be sharing 345 sales a month with these sellers, which I think I can do. right? I think I can share the sales with other with these other sorry, so I can share the sales with these other sellers, right? And then from here, I usually look at the Keepa chart. So I look at the price. So the pink line is the buy box price right here. So I usually look at the price fluctuation. So for this one, it seems like it's selling consistently at about $100, right? So yeah, $100 is going to be like the minimum price, right? Based on the Keepa chart. So yeah, I think this product is a really good one because it's giving me a estimated sales of 345 sales a month. It's giving me an ROI of about 24%, which is good. A profit of about $14. And yeah, I can share the sales with these other sellers because this product is getting 345 sales a month, and I'm going to be sharing the sales with all these sellers, which I think is doable. So now what I would do is I would go back to this website, right? And then I got to select the size to size is this. So this one is size 12. Well, it's sold out. No, it's not. So here. So I would pick the size, I would add to cart, I would purchase the product, and then from here I would ship the product to my third party prep center. And then once my third party prep center receives the products, they would pack and prep the products. And then once they pack and prep the products, they would ship the products to Amazon. And then once Amazon receives my products, these products, I keep saying products. These my products are going to be on my Amazon FBA inventory. And once they receive those products, they're going to be able to sell the product to their customers, right? So now they can see the shoes, these pair of shoes, on the Amazon listing right here. So I would appear here under sellers, right here. So my name's gonna be there, and then if I get the buy box, which is this box right here, the buyer would click on buy now, and then they would be able to buy from my store. And once they do, Amazon would ship them the product. So hope that made sense. I said product like 100 times on this video. But if you guys got value from my video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and that way other people are going to be able to see my videos too. All right, guys. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.